Dear students, welcome back. Let's start the answering session. Here we have some basic questions which previously asked in NEET examination, and some of the questions are some model questions are also there in the worksheet. Let's answer. Segmentation is present in. While the classification of the animal kingdom, we have mentioned there that Annelida is the phylum with segmented animals. So for each phylum, we have some criterion based on which the phylum was kept. So the animals with segmentation are annelids. Annelida is the phylum with segmented animals. Incomplete digestive system is found in. Incomplete digestive system is found in Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes have an incomplete digestive system. And complete gut first appeared in. Complete gut first appeared in Aschelminthes. They come after Platyhelminthes. Circulatory system appeared first in which phylum? It was first appeared in annelids. Open circulatory system occurs in. It occurs in cockroach and even in snail. Open circulatory system occurs in cockroach as well as in snails. Which of the following is acoelomate? Acoelomate is a category of animals where they do not possess the body cavity. Echinodermata, chordata, both the phyla have they are true coelomates. Again, coelom that is of true type is present in Echinodermata, which is an invertebrate phylum, as well as a chordata, a vertebrate phylum. Platyhelminthes and both 2 and 3. No, only Platyhelminthes have no body cavity, that is coelom in them. A body cavity lined by mesoderm is known as coelom. Coelom is the body cavity which is lined with the mesoderm. Which of the following phylum is devoid of tissue? That is, tissues are absent. Porifera is the phylum where only cellular organization is seen. Only cells, specific cells perform specific functions. They are assigned with some specific functions. The cells are not aggregated. Collectively, they are not aggregated into systems, that is tissues. If we define a tissue as it is a group of cells which have the same origin and they have similar function sometimes, similar structure sometimes, and perform a same function, that is the tissue. But this kind of tissues are absent in Porifera. Only cellular grade organization is seen in Porifera. That is why they are devoid of tissues. Remaining all the 3 phyla have tissues, various tissues, and tissue systems even are present. Mesoderm is present as scattered pouches. Scattered pouches in between ectoderm and endoderm. Scattered pouches means they have a true coelom, but the origin of coelom may be of two types. Depending on that, we have divided the eucoelomates into schizocoelomates as well as a second category that is enterocoelomates. Schizocoelom appears because of the slit made in the mesoderm. Slit that appeared in the mesoderm that develops into a coelom. Those animals which have this kind of development of coelom were kept in schizocoelomates, and in a second category of eucoelomates, true coelomates, are enterocoelomates, in which the sacs, some pouches, out pocket structures appear, they form the true coelom. Here they have asked that scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm, the pouches appear from the mesoderm and this forms the coelom. But the options are not clear that this is the case seen in enterocoelomates. Enterocoelom. This question is asked about enterocoelomates. Enterocoelom is seen in Echinodermata, and also vertebrates, chordata. In both these phyla we find the enterocoelom, but here they haven't asked that, they haven't given the option that annelid eucoelomates. No doubt annelids are eucoelomates, but they have schizocoelom type of coelom. And even arthropods and even mollusks also have schizocoeloms. But here about the enterocoelom. These enterocoelom is present in either Echinodermata or chordata, option must be given. So we exclude this question because of the ambiguity, and the option is not there. Enterocoelom option is not there. If they give Echinodermata enterocoelom, chordata enterocoelom, A and B, none of the above, we'll select the answer as C, that is A and B. Radial symmetry is shown by, radial symmetry means in any radius the cut will yield two equal halves. Radial symmetry is seen in Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Echinodermata, all the above. All the animals showed in the options, given options, all the animals of the options, they show radial symmetry. Triploblastic animals, triploblastic organization and bilateral symmetry starts from which phylum? Manaki triploblastic ante bilateral symmetry is seen in Coelenterata, but they are diploblastic. Kabatti first appear ayindi Platyhelminthes. Closed blood vascular system is found in, it is not round, it is found in, closed blood vascular system is found in annelids, because in these animals blood flows in the vessels, tubes. True segmentation or metamerism means body is extremely and externally as well as internally divided into segments. Each segment of body have serial repetition of at least some organs, that is both are correct. Larval forms of echinoderm show the following symmetry, that is radial or bilateral. They show bilateral symmetry, and the basic fundamental feature that have enabled us to broadly classify the animal kingdom is level of organization, cellular organization and symmetry, segmentation and notochord. The basic fundamental features, all of these, especially segmentation of the body is first observed in the segmentation is observed in Annelida. And find out the correct match. that is notochord, mesodermal in origin, coelom present in all triploblastic animals, no, because platyhelminth is a triploblastic animal, it is having a pseudocoelom or no coelom. So the first one is the correct option, mesodermal in origin, the notochord develops from the mesoderm. Radial symmetry is usually exhibited in animals, which animals? Which have one opening of the alimentary canal, are diploblastic, have ciliary mode of feeding. They are sessile and sedentary animals. Cheppam kada. So because they can't move from one place to another, they have a filter mode of feeding habit, and from all sides, mouth is distributed all the sides, from all the sides they can get the food. Metameric segmentation is characteristic of Mollusca, Chordata, Platyhelminthes, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Annelida, Arthropoda. Metamerism ante segmentation. In diploblastic animal, the cells are arranged in 2 embryonic layers, correct. The cells are arranged in 3, no. The cells are arranged in external ectoderm, internal mesoderm, no. The cells, internal endoderm ante malli idi kuda correct answer. And the cells are arranged in an external mesoderm and internal endoderm. So the first option is the correct answer. Acoelomates are diploblastic and asymmetrical, triploblastic and bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic and radial symmetrical, and triploblastic biradial symmetrical. Acoelomates are diploblastic and asymmetrical. Which of the following animals have scattered cells with cellular grade of organization? Scattered cells with cellular grade of organization. Only cellular grade is there. So sponges. The most complex grade of organization is found in organization, that is Helminthes, Porifera, Coelenterata, all of this. When compared to all these, helminths have a little bit more complex when compared to the other given options. Tissue level body organization occurs in Protozoa, Coelenterata, Porifera, Helminthes. Tissue level body organization, Coelenterata, even helminths. Coelenterata and even Platyhelminthes also have tissue level. Okay. In Platyhelminthes, tissue to organ level, so they have asked only the tissue level, so this is the correct option. చూసారా చిన్న కన్ఫ్యూజన్. సో రెండిట్లో కూడా టిష్యూ లెవెల్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ దీనిలో ఆర్గాన్ లెవెల్కి అది షిఫ్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి వీ క్యాన్ ఆప్ట్ దిస్ వన్ యాజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. Open type of circulation occurs in arthropoda, because the blood flows in the circulates in the coelom cavity. Sponges are mostly asymmetrical, correct. Radial symmetry, bilateral, biradial, asymmetrical. So this is the various questions asked about the symmetry and level of organization of the animals and the classification. This is the end of the session. I hope you might have seen these questions while you are dealing with the concept. While reading the concept, your brain may get these kind of questions. మనం చదువుతున్నప్పుడే మన బ్రెయిన్లో ఓకే దీన్ని ఇలా కూడా అడగచ్చు అని మనమే ఫ్రేమ్ చేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. అలా క్వశ్చనింగ్ మోడ్లో మీరు చదువుకుంటే మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.